Hello everyone, this is Shuru Goswami of BTech MECT Sem 6 of Ajinkya Diva Patil, and I developed an application called Multi-City Application which will give the user a brief information about the places and cities according to their choice. So let's start. As you can see, I made a small PPT where the users will get an information about the places, and by looking into the PPT, it will give a brief description. So what is this app about? This app will give you information about different cities as well as places, and even users can search for different places too. And moreover, users will get a prior information about a particular place before visiting it. And now developing the software, what are the technologies, or rather what is the software which I've used? The first one is Android Studio. This is the platform where we have developed this application. And the second one is Firebase. Firebase means we are from where we are fetching the data. And now, whenever we are creating any application in Android Studio, it is two files. The one is the Java file and one is the XML file. The XML file means where the designing part contains, and the Java file means where the coding part contains. So while developing this application, I have taken some screenshots so that it can explain more elaborately. The first one is the splash screen. As I told you, there are two screens, one is Java and one is XML. So this is a Java file of a splash screen. The second one is the XML, where the designing part contains. Second one is the login page, and this is a Java file, and this is the XML file which contains the designing part. And this is the main activity page of Java file. And this is the XML file where we have all the default cities inside our application. So after we've done the description of our application, so this will be the first page, or rather, once we run the application, this will be the first storyboard, which will give a brief description that yes, these are the 4 default places in our application, and on clicking the next button, you will end up with 4 different metropolitan cities in India, and then there will be a 2-second of a splash screen, and then it will go into the login page. So users can easily log in, or rather, users can easily give their password or something for login, and if it doesn't have a registration, they can easily sign up by clicking this. And once we have done the user ID and password, we can click to login. It will end up with the home screen where the 4 default metropolitan cities are placed inside the application, that is Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Bombay. So on clicking this application, or rather on clicking this button, the users will get all the information about a particular place. For example, if I'm clicking on to Delhi, it will show me like what is the Delhi famous for and what are the places to visit. And if I'm clicking to Chennai, it will show me what is Chennai famous for and what are the significance of Chennai. And once the user is done with the application, you directly put a button out here for confirming and going back to the normal page. So I guess this app will be very useful for every user, and I think it's very useful one because whenever we book any ticket from GoIBIB or Make My Trip, it doesn't show the information about any place. Rather, we have to search on Google or any other search engine to get the information about the places. But as you can see, I've developed this application so that the users can already see according to the choice any information about any place and get it done, and rather to gather all the information in one place, and it will be useful for us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.